Welcome to another episode of Code Smarts, the podcast where we simplify coding concepts and help you become a better developer. Today we're diving into Java while loops, one of the most fundamental tools for repeating tasks in your code. Stick around as we explore their mechanics, practical use cases, and the mistakes you should avoid. Hello everyone, and welcome to Code Smarts, where we break down complex programming topics into easy-to-understand insights. I'm Edson Camacho, software engineer. With years of experience teaching coding on platforms like Udemy and Hotmart, I'm here to help you elevate your coding skills. Today, we'll be talking about something that all developers need to understand thoroughly: Java while loops. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Introduction to while loops. A while loop is like a tireless worker. It keeps running until a condition is no longer true. It's especially useful when you don't know beforehand how many times you need to iterate, unlike a for loop where the number of repetitions is predefined. Here's a simple example to help you visualize. Public class while loop example. Public static void main string args. Int counter equal 1 while counter equal 5. System out println count. Jauni counter. Counter. This loop starts with a counter variable set to 1 and continues printing until the counter exceeds 5. Once the condition counter equals 5 is no longer true, the loop stops. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. While loops are straightforward but not immune to pitfalls. One common mistake is forgetting to update the condition. For example, if you forget to increment the counter in our previous code, the loop will keep running forever. To avoid infinite loops, double check your loop's exit condition to ensure it will eventually be false. Use debugging tools or logs to track how variables change inside the loop. When to use while loops. Use while loops when you have a condition-driven repetition. For example, reading data from a file or waiting for user input. In contrast, if you know the exact number of iterations, a for loop is often the better choice. That's a wrap on Java while loops. I hope this breakdown helps you master repetition and avoid common mistakes in your coding journey. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your fellow developers. Until next time, happy coding. To deepen your knowledge in Java development, I recommend visiting my blog softwareengineersacademy.com. I'll see you in the next episode.